Hello, sir. One thing I observed first is that your machine lack a whole lot of maintenance, and you can see a whole lot of leakages on the boom cylinders, and you can see the carriage. So this machine needs thorough maintenance. Like even if it's once in a while, they wash it with a pressure washing machine. Look at the engine hood. Everywhere is black. I think maybe this exhaust system has a leakage and causing black smoke to change everywhere black. And again, I saw that the radiator cover is not present here, and this can cause overheating. This can cause overheating for this engine. And I've not even connected my system to check anything because it's by the water side. We want to start it so we can move it short a bit so I can connect. But my first observation is this: they need to thoroughly maintain this machine, and if you maintain your machine, it's going to serve you longer. And if you don't, the lifespan won't even be reached before it gets scattered. Look at the body from the hydraulic pump side on the final drive too. You can see everywhere is see leakages everywhere, and I would advise that this machine needs to be thoroughly washed and every once in a while carry out a washing maintenance on it. Man, this testing port looks kind of bigger than my